Let me guess. You've got a 9 to 5 and then you've got your side hustle. Maybe it's freelancing, dropshipping, affiliate marketing, or selling something online. You're putting in hours after work, sacrificing weekends, but your bank account, it's not exactly reflecting all that effort. You thought your side hustle would be your ticket to freedom, but somehow you're working harder than ever and not getting richer. So, what's going on? Why isn't your side hustle changing your life? Today, we're going to break down the real reason most side hustles fail to make you rich and how you can flip the script to actually build wealth instead of just staying busy. Welcome to the Wealthy Path, where we talk about the mindset, habits, and money moves that actually make you financially free, not just Instagram successful. Let's dive in. Here's the truth. We've been sold the idea that having a side hustle automatically equals wealth. But let me tell you, most people don't have a side hustle. They have a second job. They're trading time for money just like they do in their day job. The only difference, they're doing it after hours, with no benefits, no rest, and no real scalability. You're tired, you're hustling, but you're not building assets. You're still stuck in the same loop: work more, earn more, spend more. And that, my friend, is the hustle trap. Because the goal isn't to work harder. The goal is to work smarter, to build something that pays you even when you're not working. That's wealth. Let's break down the 5 big reasons your side hustle isn't making you rich. 1. You're still selling your time, you're freelancing, driving Uber, or doing something that depends on your hours. The problem, you'll always hit a ceiling because time is limited. And if your income depends on your time, you'll never escape the cycle. Rich people don't sell time. They build systems, products, or assets that work even when they don't. 2. You treat it like a hobby, not a business. Let's be real. Most side hustles fail because people never take them seriously enough to scale. They start with excitement but never track revenue, expenses, or growth. They don't set real goals, create structure, or invest in learning how to grow. You can't expect full-time results from part-time effort. At some point, you need to run it like a business, or it LOL always stay just extra cash. 3. You focus on income, not wealth. Earning money is easy. Keeping it and multiplying it is the real game. A lot of people make more money through their side hustle, but they also spend more. They start feeling rich and upgrade their lifestyle. New phone, new car, more nights out. But if you don't invest or save what your side hustle brings in, you're just working more for temporary comfort. That's not wealth. That's burnout disguised as progress. 4. You don't have a strategy, just random hustles. You try a little of everything. Dropshipping, print on demand, reselling, content creation, crypto, but without a clear direction. You're just busy, not productive. The key is to focus on one thing, get good at it, build systems, and then expand. Jack of all hustles, master of none. That's the fast lane to frustration. 5. You're thinking short term. Most people start a side hustle because they want fast money. But wealth doesn't work that way. Wealth comes from compounding. Whether it's investments, brand building, or skill stacking. If you're not playing the long game, you're just chasing quick dopamine hits, and that's not sustainable. Now, let's flip this. What separates people who stay stuck hustling from those who build real wealth? Mindset. Let me explain. Most hustlers think like workers. If I do more, I'll earn more. But wealthy people think like owners. If I create systems, I'll earn more. It's not about doing everything yourself. It's about building something that works without you. That could be automating your online business, creating digital products that sell while you sleep, building a personal brand that brings long-term opportunities, investing the income your hustle generates instead of spending it all. Because real wealth doesn't come from side income, it comes from ownership. You have to shift from I work for money to I make money work for me. Let's talk about something uncomfortable. Lifestyle inflation. You start earning more through your side hustle, and suddenly your expenses quietly rise to match it. You justify it. I deserve it. I've been working hard. And yes, you do. But that's how you stay stuck. The more you earn, the more intentional you have to be. Because if every dollar you earn is already spent before it hits your account, you're not building wealth. You're just upgrading your treadmill. True wealth is built in silence by saving, investing, and letting your money breathe. Don't fall for the social media lie that says you're not successful unless you show it. The richest people I know live simply, quietly, intentionally. That's power. Now, let's get practical. Here's how to turn your side hustle from a time sucker into a wealth engine. Step 1. Have a vision beyond money. Ask yourself, what's the purpose of this hustle? Is it to quit your job, build savings, create generational wealth? Clarity changes everything. Step 2. Automate and scale. If your hustle only works when you work, it's not scalable. Learn to automate tasks, hire help, or build digital systems that multiply your time. Example. If you're freelancing, can you create an online course teaching your skill? If you're selling products, can you set up automated email marketing or fulfillment? Build leverage, not more labor. Step 3. Invest what you earn. Here's the key. Don't let your side hustle money become lifestyle money. Let it become investment money. Invest it in index funds or ETFs, real estate, your own brand or business skill development. Let your side hustle feed your future, not your weekend cravings. Step 4. Play the long game. Be patient. Most people quit because they don't see instant results. But remember, it's not supposed to make you rich overnight. It's supposed to set you free over time. Stay consistent. Refine. Build. Let's be honest, it's hard balancing work, life, and hustle. You're tired, you're grinding, and sometimes it feels like no progress is happening. But remember this, every hour you spend building something of your own is a seed planted in your freedom. Most people will work their whole lives making someone else rich. You here trying to break that pattern, and that's something to be proud of. But just don't get trapped in endless hustle. Build something that gives you back your time. Because wealth isn't about having more money. It's about having more choices. More time for your family, your peace, your dreams. That's the real reward. So, if your side hustle hasn't made you rich yet, don't give up. Just change the way you think about it. Stop chasing money. Start building wealth. Stop adding more work. Start creating leverage. Because at the end of the day, hustling harder won't make you rich, but thinking smarter will. This is the wealthy path, where we build real wealth with wisdom, not burnout. If this message hit home for you, hit that like button, subscribe for weekly money mindset videos, and comment below what's your side hustle and what's your biggest struggle with it right now. Remember, don't just work for money. Make money work for you. That's the wealthy path.